Hello friends, welcome to another demo video of Vityasa, and today we'll have a look at how advisors can publish individual recommendations and how they can modify it. So typically advisors, when they have to do a recommendation based on for short terms, they identify the opportunities based on the chart movements or based on certain news, and then often they have to update their views, be it in terms of target or stop loss as well. To give you an example, let's say TCS seems like crossing 50 DMA, and you tell your clients that as soon as it crosses that 50 DMA, please just go ahead and make a purchase. And what happens then, after a few hours, you don't really see that kind of momentum that you were expecting, and before clients make the entry, you would actually like to cancel your order. Okay, this was one of the scenario. Another scenario could be you ask your clients to partially exit and book certain amount of profit or change their stop loss in case they have already entered, right? So there are a number of cases where you are required to do the modification, and that's what we are going to see over here. We will not cover all the modification scenarios, but the idea is to give you an overview of how you can modify a recommendation, how your clients get to see those modifications, and how they execute those modifications with their broker account, right? So let's get started. Yeah, let's say you want to recommend your clients Infosys stock, and you want them to allocate 10% of their capital to this service, and let's say it be a intraday call with a target price of maybe 1800 and a stop loss of 1750 60. Yeah, if there's any description you can put it. It's not a mandatory field, and then you publish. So as soon as you publish the recommendation, all your clients get notified about this update. So I have received my notification. If I update my dashboard, so I can see this recommendation showing up here. Okay, if I open it, it shows me, okay, the entry on paper trade got triggered at 228, and here's the recommendation: a buy call on Infi, stop loss of this, right? And over here, this is showing my execution details. I have not executed anything, and that's why it's showing NANA. Quantity of 8 has got automatically populated based on the recommendation that I have allocated for this service. So I just go ahead and place a buy order. Since I'm logged in with my Fire's broker account, my balance and ID is showing up here. So and all the details, let's say quantity and those things, got auto populated. So I'm not going to execute 8 quantities as this is a demo count. So I do this and then I confirm order placement. Okay, order successfully got executed. Now if you see the price and all those things, my quantity have got updated here based on what I executed. Okay. Now, as a client, as an advisor, you did specify a target of 1800 or a stop loss of 1760, but you change your mind and you are now saying your client to exit at market price. Okay, whatever be the thing, whatever, let's say your idea was of giving process, it didn't go as per the way you wanted, and you want your clients to just exit it. Okay, so you click on exit at market price. Okay, recommendation got updated, and all your clients are being notified of this update. Okay, so in my dashboard, if I refresh the screen, I see this notification has come up. Okay, now if I open it, I get to see, okay, advisor has exited this recommendation at this point in time. Okay, and I have the button to place the sell order. So I can just simply click on sell order. All those things that we have previously seen are got populated here, and then I confirm the order placement. Okay, order successfully got executed, and now if you see, I get an update. Okay, I exited at this, and this was the price. Overall loss that I made from this trade is a loss of 0.004%. Okay, now if I actually go into this service, I get to see a summary of this service completely. Okay, so how much of capital that I have currently invested, what is the current value of those investments, what has been the realized profit so far, what is the unrealized profit, right? These are all metrics that you get to see over here. All your active recommendation shows up here. So this is of course my dummy account, so don't go by what I have in account. And over here you get to see all your exited recommendations. So this specific recommendation which we just now executed shows up here. Any recommendation that you have not executed for a certain reason, maybe you didn't like the call or you missed out on the call, that shows up in the light gray color, so you are aware, okay, this specific recommendation did not execute, right? So guys, that's it from the demo side of this. If you have any questions or doubts related to publishing a recommendation or how clients execute it, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to clear your doubts. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next demo session.